In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks in Notion with recurring tasks the simple way. We're going to set up a recurring task template inside a Notion database so that Notion automatically creates new tasks for you on a schedule without any extra tools or integrations. First, open your tasks or projects database in Notion. At the top right of the database, you'll see a button labeled New. Instead of clicking directly on it, click the small arrow or drop down next to New. This opens a list of templates and options for creating new entries. From that drop-down, choose the option that says New Template. This is how we create a reusable structure for your recurring task. A template is like a blueprint for a task that you want to use over and over again. When the New Template window opens, start by giving it a clear name. In the title area, type something like recurring or recurring task. You can be more specific if you want, like recurring weekly review, but including the word recurring makes it easy to find later. Below the title, Notion may suggest different starting layouts. Look for the option called Empty, and click that. Choosing an empty template gives you full control over what properties and content your recurring task will have. You can now set up everything inside this template. Add a description, assign it to a person, choose a project, or adjust any other properties you normally use. Next, locate the date property you'll use for your task, usually called date or due. Click into that field and set it to now or today's date. This acts as your starting point for the recurrence and makes it easier to adjust the schedule once duplication is turned on. When you're happy with the template, close it to go back to your database. Again, click the arrow next to the New button to open your list of templates. Find the template you just created with recurring in the name, then hover over it and click the three dots next to it to open more options. From that menu, select Duplicate Every. This is where you turn the template into an automated recurring task. A small scheduling window will appear. Here, choose how often you want Notion to create a new task from this template. You can select options like every day, every week, every month, and specify the exact day and time that works for you. Once you've set your preferred schedule, click Save. From now on, Notion will automatically duplicate that template on the schedule you chose, creating a fresh task each time with all the properties and structure you set up.